Hi guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make a mood board on Tumblr using GIFs. This works also on an iPhone. It's completely free. I'm going to show you the one I made, the one I'm going to show you for this tutorial. So this is the one I made. As you can see, it has a very common theme. It has like fall, leaves, food, a lot of tea, coffee. And that's the theme I was going for, but of course you can do any theme, just make sure it's consistent. To find whatever theme you want, go through the tags of whatever you want. In my case, I collect some fall images, so I'm gonna go through my fall tag. You can use GIFs or pictures. I'm gonna be using GIFs for this tutorial, but you can kind of get a sense of what you want your mood board to look like. And after you're done with that, if you want to use GIFs, you can just go through the GIF tag, and then if you've been collecting GIFs, you can find some really pretty GIFs. I'm gonna be using this one for this tutorial and 9 others that I found prior to filming this. So the way you do it is that you click here and hold it, you click download. Make sure you keep the link so that you can credit the creator later. So as I said, you have to have 9 of those, and after you have your 9, which I do have in my gallery, those are the ones I have. This is the one I downloaded. Those are the ones I have. What you're gonna do next is go to this app called Gift Shop, and then you need to go to GIF Studio and then find whatever GIFs you've downloaded. This is the one I've downloaded, and then go here, and then here you're gonna be editing your GIF so that it looks more clean. First things first, make sure that it is square here like that, and then if you have to, you can play with the speed because some GIFs are slower than others, some are too fast. Let me see with this one. This one is okay. I would add a bit more frames per second. Yeah. And then you save it, and then you click here. So export settings, GIF, high quality, and then you export it. Okay. And now you're waiting. And after you're done, you're gonna go to all of your exported GIFs. Those are the ones I did. As you can see, there's duplicates because I had to do one prior to this tutorial. And you have to do the thing with the squaring to each one GIF, so it's gonna look like that at the end. Make sure there's squares, otherwise it would not work. And then lastly, then you go to Tumblr. So you have to go to the main page, click here, and then go to photo, and then just select the photos you want. So those are the ones I have, and I'm not going to post it again because I do have already posted version. So you go here, and then you go next. I feel like I'm missing one. Am I missing one? Yes, I am. Which one am I missing? I guess it's this one. Yep. And there you have it, a mood board. Make sure to credit the creators here. So credit, can't spell. Anyways, you got that point. Just try to credit all the creators, like put links and their names. I would suggest doing this on desktop because it's a lot easier, but if you can, do it on mobile as well. And then of course you click post, and you're done. You have your mood board gift set. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please consider leaving a comment. Let me know if I messed up on something. I hope I did not. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. And if you found this helpful, please make sure to subscribe. I do a bunch of tutorials like this one. I try to make them quick and snappy. And yep, see you next time, guys. Bye.